Hey everyone, David Gillick here. I've teamed up with the National Parents Council to bring you a series of recipes. I know it's quite difficult for a lot of people at the moment, so keeping it simple and keeping it healthy can go a long way. So I hope you enjoy these recipes. We've got snacks in there, we've got breakfast, lunch and dinner to help you along the way. Hey everyone, David Gillick here. Okay, so to try and make life a little bit easier, I'm going to give you a few little recipes. The first recipe is overnight oats. Really simple to do and great for the family. Here's my ingredients. I've got some oats in here. I got some milk, raisins, some shredded coconut and some chopped nuts. Okay, so the way we make it is in a bowl. Roughly speaking, I have about 200 grams of oats in here. And then I'm going to put in about 500 milliliters of milk. So that's cow's milk. If you have coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, anything you have at home, whatever you're fancy, you can use that as well. All right, next in is my raisins. So there's about 3 tablespoons of raisins in there. Again, any dried fruit you have at home, currants, any apricots, chop them up, get them in there. Now, shredded coconut, again, you don't have to have this. So I just like it in, I have it in the house. So I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut. And then some chopped nuts. So again, if you have any seeds or any nuts at home, chop them up yourself and throw them in. So 3 tablespoons of that. Again, you don't need this is just optional. Obviously the oats and the milk and the raisins, the dried fruit is great as well, okay? And then just to finish it off, a squeeze of half some lemon juice, and that kind of helps keep it nice and fresh. Okay, so that's all my ingredients in there. And I'm just gonna give it a bit of a mix. So mix all that together. And again, oats, great way to start the day, but having porridge every day might be a little bit boring. So again, just to spice it up a bit and just change things around, overnight oats is a great way. And it's already made, so that's the thing, it's overnight oats. So all of those ingredients into a bowl, and then I'm just going to put some cling film over that. Just like so. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. And all you're going to do is transfer that into the fridge, leave it overnight, the following morning to serve. Roughly speaking, about 4 people get servings out of this. Top it with a little bit of yogurt, any fresh fruit you have, or any nuts, or anything you have in the cupboards, get it on top of it, and it's a great breakfast to kickstart the day. It's now morning time, I'm hungry, so I'm going to grab my oats out of the fridge. They've been resting overnight. Really straightforward. Take your cling film off. Get a spoon and just scoop that into your bowl, like so. And all I'm going to do is, I got some yogurt, so I'm going to top with a good dollop of yogurt, a little bit more. And I've got some fresh fruit, bit of banana, plonk that on top. And that is it. Now, if you do want it a little bit warm, you can put it in the microwave before you put the yogurt and banana on top, just for about 30 seconds to add a bit of heat to it. Otherwise, enjoy it cold.